When we created Bizzy, we wanted a fully sustainable supply chain from the bean to the bottle. Starting with the beans, we ethically source from Central and South America. When we finish brewing, our spent grounds are composted in a partnership with the local farming community. This allows us to cut down on our waste and environmental footprint as much as possible. The farmers are able to benefit from using our coffee grounds that enrich their soils. The farmers can come to us for our spent coffee grounds so they can save by composting on site. We thought about every detail of the production process. We use 100% BPA-free bottles that are fully recyclable. Our production facility uses clean energy through solar panels on the roof. At Bizzy, we want to make the best products and do it with the best methods possible. This allows us to give back and be environmentally responsible.